Here electrolyte. The solids good conductors of electricity or bad conductors of electricity already over. That means good conductors and bad conductors of electricity already over. That is means generally solids. In solids they are categorized good conductors, bad conductors, and whereas liquids. Electrolyte means the liquid substances which allows electricity freely. The liquid which allows freely are called the liquids. Which allows electricity freely are called electrolytes. Here electrolytes means generally liquids are there. Some liquids are bad conductors, some are electrolytes. Electrolyte means simply they allow the light electricity freely. What are example? Mineral water, bore water, and impure water, acids, bases, etc. So many examples are there. These are all electrolytes. Okay, next one is electrolysis. Electrolysis. Electrolysis means that is a process. That is a process. For example, in the car batteries, two plates are there. Anode, cathode plates are there. Some liquid is present. That liquid is electrolyte. By passing current, what happened? Chemical energy converted into electrical energy. Suppose in the wall glass some batteries are there, or watch glass, some glass batteries are there, torchlight batteries are there. These are all, what is the process going? That is chemical energy converted into electrical energy. The process of conversion of chemical energy into electrical energy by the process of electrolysis. Electrolysis means that is a process in which current is passing through the electrolyte and they store the energy, electrical energy, and electrical energy converted into chemical energy. Otherwise, chemical energy converted into electrical energy. That process is electrolysis. And in the last class, already we conducted some experiment. Some solids allows electricity, some liquids how the current is passed through it. Already we discussed. That is in activity like. Same way, when do liquids conduct electricity? Here, write an activity. When do liquids conduct electricity? Here, write an activity that when do liquids conduct electricity? This is the 4 marks question. Different kinds of liquids are there. Here, distilled water. Distilled water means pure water. There is no impurities. Completely 100% pure water. Distilled water. That is one. Second one, distilled water plus salt. Third one, distilled water plus CuSO4. CuSO4 means copper sulfate. Fourth one, distilled water plus lemon juice. Take different kinds of liquids. Here one is distilled water, another one is distilled water plus salt, another one distilled water plus copper sulfate, another one distilled water mixed with lemon juice. These are the different kinds of solutions. Same activity in the previous activity, the cap pour some first liquid, connect the electrodes and whether the LED glow or not. Suppose LED does not glow, then that is a bad conductor. That is not an electrolyte, that is a bad conductor. So suppose we take distilled water, LED does not glow. LED does not glow means electricity not pass through that liquid. So it is a bad conductor of liquid. Suppose distilled water mixed with salt. Some salt is dissolved in the distilled water. What will happen? Salt means NaCl. Immediately salt dissociate into ions Na plus Cl minus. So it acts as a good conductor and LED glows. Suppose distilled water consists of copper sulfate, blue color. Some copper sulfate crystals are dissolved in the distilled water. So copper sulfate solution is formed. Same solution is kept conductor in the activity. That means electrodes are kept inside in it and touch with connect with LED bulb. What happens means LED glows. Suppose LED glows means that is a good conductor or electrolyte. Here next one is distilled water with lemon juice. Lemon juice means that is an acid. You take not only lemon juice, any acid you take in water, that solution acts as a good conductor. That means current will pass. Electricity, electrolytes. So some water shows bad conductor, some are electrolytes. See, this is electrolyte is a 1 mark question. What is a defined electrolyte? Here electrolysis means the process of converting electrical energy into chemical energy or chemical energy into electrical energy by using electrolyte. That is called electrolysis. For example, batteries. Suppose in our vehicles some batteries are there, that consists of electrolyte, liquid electrolyte, and suppose in the wall clock or torchlight some batteries are used, that is solid. That means chemical energy converted into electrical energy. That process is electrolysis. Okay, next one is electroplating. This is a 4 marks question. This is 1 mark question. Here examples also means 2 marks question. This is the 4 marks question. Third question. Next to fourth one is electroplating. Electroplating also 1 mark question. What is electroplating? This is a process of coating. That means sometimes we see in the market some are looks like a silver. Actually that is not silver article, but looks like a silver. How it is? That is the process of electroplating. Electroplating means by using the electrolysis process, the costly metals are coating on their cheap particles. For example, coating of copper on iron key, silver coating of silver on iron key, the coating of silver on cheap particles. These are all coating of gold on cheap particles. That is 1 gram gold ornaments. These are all processes electroplating. Electroplating means it is a process in which cheap or costly materials are coated on the cheap particles by using the process of electrolysis. That is electroplating. Okay, next one. Fifth one. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4, 8 marks. Fourth, next question is testing of electricity current by on a potato. Testing of electricity or electric current. Testing of electric current by using a potato. Suppose by using a potato, you can test the electric current passing or not. This is LED, this is battery, this is potato. Testing of electric current by using a potato. How to test? This is also 4 marks question. See, how to test means take a potato, cut into 2 halves, take one half of this potato. After that, insert 2 rods, that means either copper rod, any metal rod. After that, this is connected to the copper wires. LED, one is connected to the LED positive. LED connected, negative connected to the negative terminal of battery, like this. Here, after some time, leave it for 20 or 30 minutes. After some time, what happened? Some positive terminal, where the positive terminal inserted in the potato, inside the potato, that surrounding some spot is formed. That is greenish color spot is formed. White color changes. Potato color changes during surrounding the positive terminal of the battery. Why means some chemical reaction is happened in this because of the electric current is passed through the potato. So by inserting this, LED will glows. LED glows means that potato act as a good electrolyte. Whatever the chemicals are present, that means liquids or semi-solids, these are all good conductors, electrolytes. After some time, some greenish color spot is formed around the positive terminal of the battery. Why it is happened means because of the chemical reaction is happened. So from this experiment, what we know, electric current will pass through the potato. Not only potato, you take some other fruits also. For example, orange, non-ripening orange, or some lemon, like this. Citrus fruits, any citrus fruits, it also you can conduct the same type of experiment. See, today what are the important topics? First one is electrolyte. Define electrolyte with an examples. Define electrolyte, write an examples for it. Electrolyte means the liquid substances which allows the which allows the current freely. The substances that is liquid. Generally, solid means, suppose solid is conduct electricity, that is called what? Conductor. Good conductor of electricity and all. Conductor. Here liquids means that is not a, you can say that is not a conductor. This is an electrolyte. Liquid means electrolyte. Okay, some liquids allows current freely. So that liquids are called electrolytes. Example, mineral water, impure water, acids, bases, etc. These are all examples for it. This is 2 marks question. Okay, second question is, what is electrolysis? Here electrolysis means what? Electrolysis means that is a process in which chemical energy is converted into electrical energy or electrical energy converted into chemical energy. by using an electrolyte. Okay, by using an electrolyte, you can convert electrical energy into chemical energy or chemical energy into electrical energy. Example is battery. By using batteries, we can glow the torchlight or that working of a wall plug. That is also because of this electrolysis process. Okay, next one is electroplating. Electroplating means what? Electroplating means by using the electrolysis process, we can convert. That means valuable that valuable materials, costly materials are coated on a cheap particles. The costly materials are coated on a cheap particles by the process of electrolysis. That is called electroplating. Okay, next one is write an activity. When do liquids conduct electricity? This is 4 marks question. You can take different kinds of liquids. Here one liquid is distilled water, another one is liquid or distilled water with salt. That means some salt is dissolved in water, that is salt solution. Third one is copper sulfate dissolved in the water, distilled water, that is a copper sulfate solution. Fourth one is lemon juice. Lemon juice dissolved in that water. Lemon juice means acidic in property, so that is a acidic solution. Take these different kinds of solution and test with LED bulb. In the previous activity, already explained. Take a cap. In that cap, you can pour the different kinds of liquids. Test with LED bulb. So first pour distilled water. Test with LED. What happens means LED does not glow. So the liquid is bad conductor. That means current will not pass. Non-electrolyte. That is a non-electrolyte liquid means. Second one, salt solution take. That means distilled water with the salt. Again connect the test with the LED. LED means immediately LED glows. LED glows means what will happen? That salt solution, that means distilled water having some salt, acts as a good conductor of liquid. That means electrolyte. Even next one is distilled water with copper sulfate. Replace this one, give the copper sulfate solution. Again, LED glows, bulb glows, that acts as a good conductor, that means electrolyte. Replace that one, again give the lemon juice solution. Here lemon juice solution also act as a good electrolyte, that means current will pass through it, LED glows. So from this activity what we say, some liquids are act as good conductor, that is electrolyte, some are not. So that is, this is a non-electrolyte. Non-electrolyte. Electrolyte means the liquids which allows the current freely, that is electrolyte. Non-electrolyte means the liquids which does not allow the current freely are called non-electrolytes. Example, distilled water, glucose solution, etc. Urea solution like that. Okay, next question is, this is the 4 marks question. Testing of electric current by using a potato. Explain the testing of electric current using a potato. That means take a potato, cut it into 2 halves, take one of it and insert 2 rods, that means copper rods or iron rods. These are connected to the zinc rods. They are connected to the positive and negative like this, as shown in the figure. This is a LED bulb, this is a battery. Battery positive connected to the one rod and LED connected to negative connected to the negative battery, positive connected to this one. Keep some gap, that means nearly 5 cm gap between the rods. LED glows. Kept the same experiment for some time, that means nearly 30 minutes. After half an hour, that means 30 minutes, what will happen? Some green color spot is formed around the positive terminal of the battery. Why means chemical reaction is happened in this, and this potato, whatever the liquid content or semi-solid content in that potato, that acts as a good electrolyte, and chemical reaction is happened. Due to the chemical reaction, you can observe the greenish spot around the neck of the positive terminal of battery. Okay, total how many mass today? 4 mass plus 4, 12 mass. Total 12 mass. These are the questions. Write and define electrolyte, write examples. Define electrolysis, 1 mark. Define electroplating, 1 mark. And 2 activities, 4 marks question. That means write an activity when do liquids conduct electricity. The next one is testing of electric current by using a potato. For these questions, suppose essay questions are there, you must draw the diagram and explain the matter. Then only you get good marks. అయిపోయిందమ్మా.